Hello again, and thanks for joining me for some good times on a dime travel tips. Today we're going to go over some camping tips in Iceland. So a good thing to have is the National Geographic map. They do a yearly map. So the National Geographic map of Iceland, it shows you everything you need to know, all the roads, all the destinations, campsites, gas stations. It's really amazing to have. It's pretty cheap. It's much cheaper than the GPS, and it's a lot of fun to have a real map with you. Also, pipe cleaners. My nephew gave me some pipe cleaners. They come in handy when your tent has a malfunction. Don't give away our secrets!
It's a song. It's cute.
So you're probably going to be cooking your own stuff, and make sure you've got a vehicle that's large enough or backpacks that are large enough, because you want to bring some food with you from your country of residence, and or buy cheap groceries at the Bonus supermarket in Iceland. So there's plenty of great campsites all around. Keep in mind during the summer months they have a cost with them. You have to pay a daily cost. And after about September 1st, a lot of them are free.
So, this is 99 bananas because everyone likes bananas in the morning.
And there you go, Lindsay with the 99 bananas. It's always good to have a little bit of liquor when you're camping. It is cold in Iceland and you want to be warm. You should eat right before bed and drink right before bed so your body is nice and warm so you can get to sleep. So lots of great campsites. Some have great terrain for camping but not as many facilities. Some have not the best terrain but better facilities. So there's tons to choose from. You just pick and choose. There's many of them. Well, that is it. Thank you for joining me for some camping tips on your trip in Iceland. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you for the next episode. Thanks for joining me.